Hello boys and girls, after 13 years of abandonment, engine rebuilding, suspension overhauling, interior transformation from beige to black with Alcantara, seat installation, the car has finally gone for painting. While we are waiting for that to happen, let's take a look at the headlights of both Project 13 and Project Phoenix. First, I removed the headlights from Project Phoenix since they were severely damaged by the fire, and the electronically controlled low beam lights were oddly misaligned in different directions for some reason. Look at the headlight decorative reflector. The silver coating has been removed with great precision in certain areas, and underneath you can only see the black base. Do you have any idea how the decorative elements were made this way? Clearly, the headlights has been disassembled before. The poorly refurbished reflectors had burned out and the low beam lights were pointing in different directions due to wrong disassembling. To properly remove the low beam reflectors, they shouldn't be disassembled by unscrewing the bolt from the bottom of the turning mechanism. If this is done, the turning mechanism loses alignment and the only way to realign it will be shown shortly. I had to purchase several headlights to use them for parts such as undamaged internal wiring, glass lens and back housing. I will show you how I managed to readjust the dynamic turning mechanism of the low beam lights. Сега, тая тук оптика, динамика, я бях размърдал и купих специален тестер да я направя. Сега ти показвам какъв е тестера. Тази тук бор машина, първо прекарваш с двойка, тук накрая с четворка. Ма пробиваш отгоре надолу. И резултатът е това. И връзвам на колата и с помощта на този специален тестер, тук в тази дупка, и настройвам. Цък, цък, цък и ги изравних. И меря разстоянието от тук до тук, където болт с шубера, така и от другата страна. И така калибровах динамиката с помощта на този инструмент, че не се вижда, и на колата. The headlight lamps of Project 13 were so damaged that I had to sand them down and then polish them to be able to see the condition of the decorative elements inside. here is the difference between the old and the refurbished reflector. Now I'm testing the automatic level adjuster. Cleaned with refurbished low beam reflectors, assembled correctly and ready for applying protective clear coat. For this task I'm using this product of Colormatic that includes several components. And here is the final result. What do you think? Which headlights should I use? The black or the silver?